Edward Deming was an American statistician, professor, author, lecturer, and consultant who is best known for his work in the field of quality management. He born on October 1490s, he played a significant role in the development of modern quality control practices and is often credited with helping to shape the post-World War II Japanese manufacturing industry, which became renowned for its high quality. Deming is famously associated with the Deming cycle, Plan, Do, Act, a continuous improvement procedure used in quality management. He advocates for a deep understanding for statistical methods and the importance of data in the decision making. His philosophy emphasized the need for organizations to focus on process improvement, employee involvement, and customer satisfaction. Deming's works laid the foundation for total quality management and has influenced many sectors beyond manufacturing, including healthcare and education. He published several influential works including Out of the Crisis and the New Economic for Industry, Government Education. Deming passed away on December 20, 1993, but his legacy continues to impact quality management practices worldwide. Edward Deming's biggest contribution was his work in quality management, which helped transform industries in Japan and the United States. His work led to the development of total quality management and lean manufacturing. Deming did develop TQM, a management philosophy that encourages continuous improvement and customer satisfaction. Second, establish 14 points of management, a framework for long-term business goals and plans. Third, rebuilt Japanese industry after World War II. Deming's work helped Japan become a world manufacturing leader. Fourth, influenced the American automobile industry. Deming's work helped revitalize the American automobile industry in the late 1980s. Fifth, changed the way people think about quality. Deming's work helped change the way people think about quality management and leadership. Why Deming's is matter? Deming's work is considered one of the most significant achievements of the 20th century. He is often called the father of the third wave of the Industrial Revolution.